In the Jan lab, we're very interested in neurophysiology, and in particular, I'm looking at how ion channels might play a role in cancer and normal development. And so this to me is really exciting because the protein I look at is something called a voltage-gated ion channel, and it's really essential for neurons firing. So when you typically think about it, you think about it in the context of the nervous system and how one cell communicates to another. But you don't really think about it having a role in just normal cell division or in non-excitable cells like stem cells. And so I've started to essentially find that it seems like they might actually have a role in these kinds of non-excitable cells. And so this is something that nobody really would have suspected, but it's really exciting. And the other really cool thing about it is that these particular channels are pretty druggable. So you can actually affect how they work. So if they do indeed have a role in cancer, it's something that would be a novel, innovative treatment that maybe we hadn't considered before. It's really unique to fund a postdoc because when you think about scientists, people are aware of graduate students and they're aware of professors, but postdoc is this weird limbo that a lot of people are unaware of, but it's so fundamental to our training. So as a postdoc, you kind of know how to be a scientist, but you're figuring out what kind of scientist you're going to be. The fact that Damon Runyon recognized the fact that postdocs don't last 3 years, they last longer. And science does not work on your schedule. Just because you want to perhaps have a faculty job earlier, it doesn't mean your results are going to be what you want them to be. And so, having a fellowship that gives you time to let your science naturally go where it's going to go, I think that's the best way to do science. And I think for me, having the Damon Runyon is the most prestigious fellowship I can have because I think they appreciate the importance of postdoc education and what that actually means.